Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I sketch baby face. So first I start by adding the darkest areas like in the pupil of the eyes and the nostrils with a charcoal pencil, and then I blend it with a soft brush.
I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much?
After shading the pupil of the eye, I start by adding the lighter areas like around the eyes with a normal HB pencil, and then I blend it with a soft paintbrush. You can also use cotton bud as well. I also use kneadable eraser occasionally to pick up the extra graphite and to save the highlights. I shade the nose with the same technique. I use normal HB pencil to shade the skin of the nose and blend it with a normal paintbrush or a cotton bud.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you?
As the texture of my paper is very rough, I don't use a very dark pencil. I only use HB pencil and 4B pencil on the rough paper. For shading the skin, I'm using HB pencil and then I blend it with cotton ball. You can also use paintbrush, both work fine. For shading smooth skin, don't use blending stump as it leaves dark patches which does not give a smooth effect on the sketch. I use mechanical pencil for thin hair in the eyebrows and also the flyaway hairs. For shading the clothes, I just use 4B pencil all over the clothes and blend it with the cotton balls. For shading the hair, I use indentation technique and I use mechanical pencil to draw the indentation line without the lead, and then I use charcoal pencil for darker areas and blend it with a brush. And you can also use charcoal powder. I have later used charcoal powder. And I add highlights with a Tombow Mono Zero eraser on the clothes and in the hair to make it look more realistic and smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and comment your views under this video. Thank you so much for watching.